how to remove Collaborator from Google Drive. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can remove Collaborator from Google Drive. So in order to do that procedure, first thing, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Now go ahead and log into your Google Drive. So once you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now here you can see this is the file. So first thing, you have to locate or access the selected folder or file. So then you need to tap on the three dot icon and you have to tap the share button. And here you can see in the bottom left there is this option as manage access. Then go ahead and tap the particular user to whom you actually want to remove it. Long press on it and then you need to go ahead and tap the remove button. As soon as you've done that, you successfully removed the Collaborator from Google Drive. You can continue the procedure. So that's how you can remove Collaborator from Google Drive. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.